Day 4. The day Ravi faced his first real challenge. Ravi woke up early that morning. He looked at the clock. It was 5:30 a.m. He sat quietly on his bed. His mind was not calm. Today was important. Ravi said to himself. Today, I must speak English. He brushed his teeth. He took a bath. He wore his office clothes slowly. While eating breakfast, Ravi practiced in his mind. Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. I will try my best. He repeated these sentences again and again. While traveling to the office, Ravi looked out of the window. People were busy. Cars were moving fast. Ravi's heart was beating fast too. He reached the office. He took a deep breath. He entered the building. Inside the office, everyone looked busy. People were talking in English. Ravi listened carefully. He understood some words. He did not understand some words. But he did not panic. Suddenly, Ravi's manager came near him. Ravi, the manager said. Today we have a small team meeting. Ravi felt nervous. Meeting means speaking. Speaking means English. He nodded his head and said. Yes, sir. The meeting room was quiet. Everyone was sitting around the table. Ravi sat at the corner. The manager started speaking. He talked about work. He talked about deadlines. Ravi listened carefully. He tried to understand every word. Then the manager looked at Ravi. Ravi, he said. Can you explain yesterday's work? Ravi's hands started shaking. His mouth became dry. But he remembered one thing. He remembered his promise. I will try. Ravi stood up slowly. He said. Good morning, everyone. His voice was low. But it was clear. Yesterday, I completed my task, Ravi said. I faced some problems. But I learned many things. He paused. He took a breath. I will improve, he continued. I will work harder. The room was silent. No one laughed. No one interrupted. The manager smiled slightly. Good effort, Ravi, he said. Keep practicing. Ravi felt relief. He sat down slowly. This was not perfect English. But it was honest English. After the meeting, Ravi felt lighter. His fear reduced a little. During lunchtime, Ravi sat alone. A colleague came and sat near him. Good job in the meeting, the colleague said. Ravi smiled and replied. Thank you. That simple sentence made Ravi happy. In the evening, Ravi walked back home. He thought about the day. He did not speak perfect English. But he spoke. That night, Ravi opened his notebook. He wrote new English sentences. I can speak. I am learning. I will not stop. Before sleeping, Ravi smiled. He knew something had changed inside him. This was just the beginning.